Ricky, we're going to put you on the hot seat, man. We're going to put Ricky on the hot seat. So, guys, real quick. So, Ricky, answer these questions for me. Starting out, what would you do different?
I think if I did one thing differently, probably would have joined like a group or a mentorship. I've never paid for any coaching, any mentorships, anything like that. But I think I probably could have. YouTube's great. Don't get me wrong. I literally learned how to wholesale and grow $1 million flipping business, like pretty much through YouTube and free stuff. But I think like the small investment I could have made into a group of just other people doing the same things where I could ask a quick question and get a bunch of feedback back would have been helpful. So joining a community, I think I would have been really helpful starting out.
Okay, perfect. What is your greatest commodity outside of cash?
I would say this computer that we're talking on, where most of my business is done, whether it's making content, using all these systems and way to find deals. But man, I don't know what I would do without my computer every day.
Okay. All right. And what drives your...
My future family? I'm not married. I don't have kids yet, but it's things I definitely want in life. I'm 29. I envision myself, in my mid 30s and, I have some kids and I never have to miss a baseball game or, I could drive them to school every day or whatever it is, but just being able to build my life up where I don't have to work as hard as I do today by the time I have a family and kids, and I can be really present with them.
Okay. And then what do you believe is your greatest challenge, if it's internal or external?
I would say just trying to do too much at once sometimes. A lot of ideas, a lot of things we want to do, but just not spreading ourselves too thin and just really figuring out how to kind of grow and delegate. I think we struggle a little bit with that, probably why we're still in the trenches. But, I think it's a little better to spend more time in the trenches than to delegate too soon. So something we'll work on as the years go by.
Okay. And then any good book recommendations you have?
Napoleon Hill is probably my favorite author. So Outwitting the Devil, Think and Grow Rich. Those are like awesome books. Yeah, I would just Napoleon Hill. Read anything of his.
Gotcha. And then lastly, man, how can we find you? How can we get connected to you? Follow your journey. And if we need money, how can we reach you?
Yeah. So go to thefliplab.com. That's going to kind of give you all of our links to the Flip Lab podcast on all streaming services. Flip Lab Capital, like I said, we're doing loans. Check us out on YouTube at the Flip Lab. And we're on TikTok, Instagram. So just do a search for the Flip Lab and you'll find us however you like to consume content, or shoot me a message on Instagram if you ever need help too.
Okay. So guys, you heard it right there. Go to the Flip Lab, search the Flip Lab on all platforms, and you'll be able to find Ricky right there. So Ricky, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you here being on the show. Guys, you know what to do. You got the information, you got the content. Get out there and make things happen and take action.